Hello friends, so I am back. I know most of you have not liked my video, and I don't care. Now, the second part. The first part I am very about the first part I was clear. That my point is simply that don't speculate. Let CBI do his job. If anybody will found guilty, if anybody will found guilty, he or she or they will be punished. Have faith in CBI, have faith in jurisdiction. Don't speculate. Don't make this a joke. Please, let Sushant rest in peace. Let him get justice. Stop doing these debates, and stop you guys following these debates, because by following these debates, I'm sorry to say, but you are not giving justice to Sushant. You are just giving TRPs to this channel and to this man who changes his mind according to his convenience, according to TRPs. So please don't support. I don't say that you start supporting the wrong people, or if you find it wrong, then it's fine. But okay, you can say, as I can say, it's a democratic country, and we can say what we find is correct, and if we find anything wrong. But please don't judge anyone based on the proofs or the chats which this man is showing, because you never know that whether it is true or not. So have faith in CBI, and let them do their work, and wait. Have patience. Don't I'm sorry to say again, but please, if you love Sushant, by doing this type of things, by showing, by leaking his chats, by leaking his personal chats with his girlfriend or with his family members, you are just hurting him. You keep yourself in the place of Sushant. And the saddest part is, he could not say anything because he is no more. So please have patience. Have patience. Justice will be out. Truth will prevail. But don't make this a joke. Let him rest in peace. I repeat, let him rest in peace. Now, I will say in very brief about Rhea Chakrabarti. Let me make it very clear that I am not supporting Rhea Chakrabarti. I am not supporting Rhea Chakrabarti or anybody. But I am not against of anybody also, till CBI will come out with any proof. Yesterday, Rhea had given apparently an interview in a very reputed channel. And after that, what people were doing, what these netizens were doing, boycott this channel, boycott that journalist. Previously, what they were doing, boycott this film, boycott Bollywood. What? But why? Sushant was the part of this Bollywood. You liked Sushant, you loved Sushant because he was the part of the Bollywood. Let them prove that Bollywood is wrong or not. Nepotism was there or not. Let them prove. Then boycott. Don't be in a hurry. Have patience. Similarly, Rhea is accused in the eyes of Sushant's father and Sushant's family. I am not saying that they are wrong, but she is just an accused. She is not a murderer. She is not yet being trialed. Then why she cannot give an interview? Why she could not give an interview? Why? I'm just asking you why. I'm not supporting Rhea. I'm not supporting that channel. I'm not supporting that journalist. But I didn't find any answer. I didn't find any conclusive answers that why a girl who was supposed to be in love with that boy could not give an interview. But apart from her, everybody could give interviews. Everybody could say what they want, what they feel, what they speculate. But only that girl could not. But why? Have you any proof that she murdered him? Have you any proof that she drugged him? Those chats. Even Ria also had some chats which she showed, but you don't believe her. You believe, but you want to believe. But don't do this. I can understand about these journalists, about these puppets. But we are netizens, we are citizens. We can see, we can feel. We are live. We are not a politician. Why can't Ria say anything? Why? What till now is anything proved against her? Trials are going on. ED had asked her. Mumbai police had asked her. Now CBI also had done his part today. Why can't she give an interview? She's not a terrorist. It is not proved. It is not proved yet. It is not proved yet that she is the culprit. So why can't she give an interview? And what wrong she said in the interview? She said exactly what happened. And let me one thing. Let me make one point which I find is very true. Till Ria was in the life of Sushant till 18th June. Till 8th of the June, where she apparently walked out because of some fights, which is very obvious, which is not that you must speculate again. A boyfriend girlfriend or two persons in love can fight, and that fight can go to an extent. So nothing wrong in that. So the point which I am making is the till Ria was with Sushant, he didn't committed anything. He didn't do anything. Nothing happened to him also. Then the day she left him. And why she left him? Because she was also not well. I don't know it is true or not, but it is said by Ria that she was also not feeling well. And so Sushant apparently told her that you please go to your house. That is okay. But the girl who had been taking care of you, you must take care of her too. That's I don't know whether it is true or not, but I feel that that it's not correct. But okay, Ria went away. Ria went to her house and she was angry, obviously. Sushant messaged him and she could not, and she didn't want to answer, so she blocked him. Which is okay in lovers, this type of things happen. Then what happened? His sister came. What happened? Why his sister is not telling the truth? Why his sister is not telling about 9th to 13th? What happened between 8th evening till 14th morning? What happened? Till 12th. Why when she went away in 12th, I think on 12th? What happened? Why was Sushant? Is there any problem? Why was she not speaking? And if she is not speaking because of the privacy, then why we are speculating? Let the CBI do his job. Let CBI ask the concerned persons, and the truth will come out from it. I won't say that Ria has done anything right, but till now, everybody is on the same side of the ball, same side of the court. Then why we are speculating? Just because a girl is in relationship with a boy who is famous, you cannot say that a girl or a boy who is in relationship with his partner or with her partner, just because he or she is famous, he or she will use him. It's very apparent. It can be possible that she loved him or he loved her. So don't judge on the basis of money. And Sushant's father, I'm sorry to say, this point I will say. This point I will say because I have seen that interview when I think a journalist from Dainik Bhaskar from Bihar had interviewed Mr. KK Singh, the father of Sushant, on I think on 17th or 18th June. I am not sure, but I'm sure within 4 to 5 days after his demise. And it's not that I have heard somewhere or I have heard from someone. I have seen that interview on this Zoom or on digital. Sushant's father was on the other side and the Dainik Bhaskar journalist was on this side, and I remember the each and every word which Sushant's father said. And I was shocked at that time also, because every time that journalist was asking, do you know कि आपको पता था कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, he was just saying नहीं मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता था. ही वॉज आस्किंग दैट सुशांत ने कभी आपको बताया कि वो डिप्रेशन में? नहीं, मेरी तो कभी सुशांत से ऐसी बात ही नहीं होती थी. आपको पता है सुशांत कुछ करने वाला था? नहीं, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता था कि उसने चांद में एक घर लिया है. उसने, मुझे सिर्फ ये पता था चांद में एक ज़मीन लिया. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता था कि उसने एक कुछ दूरबीन खरीदा है जिससे वो चांद को देख. आप लास्ट सुशांत से कब मिले थे? मैं बहुत सालों से नहीं मिला हूँ. मैं मुंबई नहीं जाता. मैं इस चमक तमक की दुनिया से बाहर हूँ. देन हाउ डिड ही नो नाउ that 15 crore or 17 crore is missing? How? Let me tell you, when I heard this interview, when I saw, I didn't hear, I saw this interview, I was shocked that a man whose son had died mysteriously in so young age, and who's about whom the whole India and the whole world is talking, he just couldn't answer a question. And now he is full of that proofs against I don't know whom, against all. Listen guys, I just couldn't stop myself. I know many of my friends, many of my family relatives have told me that you please don't say, but I couldn't stop myself. I couldn't see that every time I open my Facebook, I open my WhatsApp, I open my everything, just boycott, stop it. We are not here to boycott everything. We could not boycott our own life. And just because we are not boycotting anything, we are not supporting SSR. We are not supporting justice for Sushant. What kind of judgment you are making? Please don't have some sense. Have some sense. And if you don't have, that is okay. But let others have their own opinion. If I don't boycott, and why will I boycott this Shahrukh Khan and everybody? Even someday I saw in my Facebook that somebody is telling stupid things about Sachin Tendulkar. Excuse me, he's the hero. Arnab Goswami is not the hero. So don't I mean to say that don't, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब don't just go away in this flow and say anything rubbish. Let the truth come out. Let the truth come out. And everybody has right to speak. Everybody has right to speak. Everybody has her or his pain to speak out. So that is all I wanted to say. I know you don't like my video. I don't give it a damn. And I will not boycott anybody. I will boycott only the real culprits. So I am waiting. And I hope, rest in peace Sushant. And wherever he is in peace and his truth will come out. You take care guys. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.